In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Bookings, or your appointment scheduling solution. Microsoft Bookings makes it easy for people to schedule time with you while protecting your calendar and reducing the back and forth. We'll walk through creating a polished booking experience from start to finish, so by the end, you'll have a shareable link that automatically respects your availability and your existing Outlook schedule. Start by opening Bookings. You can go to book.ms in your browser or open the Bookings app from Microsoft 365. This takes you to the Bookings homepage where all your meeting types live. If you use Outlook already, Bookings will work hand in hand with your calendar right out of the gate. From the homepage, choose Create Meeting Type. Meeting types are templates for appointments you offer, like consultations, office hours, or follow ups. You'll see areas for public and private meeting types. Click the plus sign in whichever section fits your use case. Public types generate a shareable link for anyone you invite, while private types are great for situations where only you send the invite directly or use it internally. Now configure the details. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title and select a category if that helps you organize. Add a brief description to set expectations, such as what's covered and any prep needed. Choose the duration that makes sense for this appointment and set the location. You can pick a physical location for in person meetings or select Microsoft Teams, so bookings will automatically include a Teams link in every confirmation. Next, set your availability. Define your working hours and the specific times you want this meeting type to appear as bookable. Bookings checks your Outlook calendar for conflicts. So if you already have a meeting or time blocked, those slots won't be shown to invitees. If you have different patterns on different days, customize them here to keep your schedule realistic and manageable. Open the advanced options to fine tune the experience. Add buffer time before and after meetings so you're never rushing between sessions. Set a minimum notice period to prevent last minute bookings, and configure email reminders so attendees get a helpful nudge ahead of time. These reminders can reduce no-shows and keep everyone prepared. When you're happy with the setup, save your changes. Then click Share to copy your booking page link. You can paste this link into an email, drop it into social posts, or add it to your email signature so people can pick a time that works for both of you without extra coordination. That's it. With your meeting type published and shared, you've streamlined scheduling, protected your time, and made booking simple for everyone.